Well, hello folks, this is Jiminizm and we're in Audacity for another little tutorial here. So, do you have noise in your recordings? Do you want to remove it? Well, that's fantastic because Audacity is a really smart program and I'm gonna show you how to remove that, background noise, even if it's, major or just a little, to clean up real nice.
Den blå, en melankoli. Driver
So, I guess it's kind of low for you, but you probably don't hear this sound. So if I put up the volume here, you can hear it. Well, what you want to do is you want to select that noise part. Then you want to click Effect, you want to click Noise Reduction or brusreducering on Swedish, and then you click Load Noise Profile. Then you select the whole stuff, you click Effect, you go to Noise Reduction, and then you can keep this at sensitivity on 0. This other stuff you can just keep in a default. Now I tried the default 3 on this file, it was too little. So let's drag it up to 8 and you click OK. And you let it run. We can listen to this part again. Let's drag up the volume real high. You can see it's much lower. It's barely audible when we have it on normal sound. As well as you can drag it up even more also to remove all of it, but you might hurt your sound file. Because all you do with your sound file will also disturb the regular audio, so you should make it as much as you need, but not more.
Den blå, en melankoli.
So you can hear it's kind of clean now.
Driver fram genom tiden, balanserad och neutral. Söker sanning och logik.
See.
Letar efter en röd sanning som stöter sig bort, likt lika poler på en magnet.
Nice and clean, isn't that awesome? So that's basically how you remove noise in any sound recording in Audacity. Remember to select one, static part of the noise that you regularly hear, and then you just do aside it and you'll be fine. So subscribe for more kind of these tutorials and stuff like that. Check out all the channels and consider becoming a subscriber. Like the video if you liked it, and yeah, go to Patreon. No. Anyways, see you around. Jiminizm out.